In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop table loop component. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in here, you can see this particular website. So Microsoft Loop is something that is an alternative to Notion, and it can help share documents as well as plans and strategies to your team that's been added to your workspace. So to get started with it, click on this Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. Now, if you already have a Microsoft account from your Word or OneDrive, you can proceed to just click on the sign in option that we can see right here because you can use that in here onto this app as well. So since I already have it, let me just proceed to sign in. Now here's my actual Microsoft Loop account. I already have in here some pages that I have created. So to add right here a table loop component, what you can do is you can just choose a page that you want to add it with. You can either choose from these templates that we currently have, but since we don't have the table right here, let's just start with a blank page for this one. Now in there, just click onto this and you can see this plus icon. You can click on this to insert some components. Since we have a table component, we can see this right here. So proceed to click onto this table. And here you can see the table has been added. You can rename the column and headers right here. Like for example, let's put in here name. Then for this one, let's put email. If you want to add another tab, what you can do is you can click onto this icon right here and you can change the column type or click onto this insert in order to insert one column to the right, to the left, or one row below. Let's input one to the right, and for this one, let's name this contact. And then if you want to add more rows, you can just proceed to just click onto this right here. And then you can find in here this option to add a new row by clicking on insert and adding right here row below. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.